Match number 52 between Sydney Sixers versus Hobart Hurricanes. This is the lineup. First, Sydney Sixers up to bowl. So Hobart Hurricanes will bat. Jassy shot, Matthew Wade will open the bat, and the captain is Matthew Wade. So believe in Matthew Wade today. Ben McDermott 1 down, David Mullen 2 down. So these are the top 4 batsmen. And in Sydney Sixers, the top 4 batsmen are Josh Phillip, James Wins, Daniel Hughes, Moses Hendricks. The captain is Moses Hendricks. Today, you have to choose the all-rounder Moses Hendricks and Dan Christians, and bowlers Swiss, Nathan Ellis, Scott Boland, and in Sydney Sixers, Josh is and Jake Ball. Now go to Dream 11. The top 3 batsmen for Hurricanes. You also have to take Mullen, James Wins, Hendricks. Josh Shot, Dan Christian, Nathan Ellis, Scott Boland. Only 7 points left. So you have to leave McDermott and choose 2 bowlers. Ben Rashes, B. Mananti. This is our surprise pick. And today's captain is 25% Josh Phillip, 23% Josh Shot. So I had to go to today's captain Matthew Wade and today's captain Josh Shot. This is our Dream 11 team finally. Thank you.